Okay, so the first thing to do is take off the top cap off the Gypsy and remove the metal spacer on the shaft. Then, using an Allen key, remove the chain pipe cover. After removing the chain pipe cover, you need to remove the stripper ring. Once you've done that, you'll be able to lift the Gypsy off the shaft whilst moving the feeder arm, pushing it out, and take it off. Then turn the unit upside down and remove the 3 bolts holding the motor to the gearbox. Once these 3 bolts are out, the motor should just lift off the deck unit. Now you need to remove the 3 cogs. The first one will come out easily. The second cog needs to be rotated until a flat spot in the washer allows you to lift the teeth past the main gear. Now you need to remove the circlip off the main shaft and just lift it up gently. Then the main gear will just slide up off the shaft, and remove the 3 key pins that are located in it. After this, you just need to remove the spacer washer from the bottom of the shaft. Now turn the unit over, pull the feeder arm out the way, and the shaft should just push through the bearing. It might need a slight tap if it is a bit sticky or stiff. Right, so now that it's completely disassembled, you need to do the same process but in reverse. So, new shaft back in. The metal spacer goes back on top of the shaft, followed by the 3 key pins. Next, you need to locate the cog over the top, making sure the recess is facing upwards towards you. And then your circlip goes back down over the shaft and make sure it is located in its groove. Next is reinserting the cog, and you need to again find the flat spot on the bearing for it to locate. And then insert the 3rd gear. Once you've done this, give all the gears a turn and you should see all three moving. So now it is dropping the motor back on top. You do have to give this a little bit of a wiggle and a shake to get the shafts to line up, but it will locate. Put 3 bolts back in and do up with the Allen key. Okay, so now flip the motor back over and it's reassembling the top half of the deck unit. So first we'll move the arm out of the way and slide the new Gypsy back on and bolt the stripper ring back in. and the chain pipe cover back on. Now put the new cone back in the top of the shaft, followed by the plastic washer and then your top cap. And there you go.